Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix error code 196. The operating system cannot run this application program on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of error code, then here are the fixes. Go to your problematic app or installer file, right click on it and choose properties. And here from the top menu bar, go to compatibility section, click on it. Here first choose run compatibility troubleshooters. And follow on screen instruction to complete the troubleshooting process, and make the check against option run this program in compatibility mode for, and also make the check against option run this program as an administrator mode. It means run your problematic app as administrator mode. Choose apply and OK to save the changes and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, and the next one is go to Windows search and here type CMD and open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. Open command prompt Windows as administrator mode, and in command prompt Windows execute the command as shown on screen. These three DISM tool one by one in command prompt Windows after blinking cursor: DISM online scan health, DISM online check health, and DISM online restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time in command prompt Windows. And after successfully execution of these three DISM tool, execute the command sfc scan now. sfc/scan now. It will scan your system. Press enter and it will scan your system for any corrupted or bad system files and repair them accordingly. Wait till 100% verification complete. After that, restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows search and here type change user account control settings. Open it in control panel. Here you will find choose when to be notified about changes to your computer. Here drag the slider bottom and click on save changes. Click on OK to save changes. And check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is open control panel in your system. Here from the available control panel items, go to programs and features, and here look for your problematic app or features which having issues. Simply select it and click on change or repair. And follow on screen instruction to complete the repairing or changing process. Go to your problematic app and simply click on change and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is open control panel. Here under available control panel items, click on recovery. Here click on open system restore. Click on it. Restore system files and settings page will open. System restore can help fix problems that might be making your computer run slowly or stop responding. You may choose recommended restore, otherwise choose a different restore point also available. Make the check against this option and click on next. Here you will find more restoration point, automatic restore point, Windows modular installer. Select and click on next, and finally confirm your restoration point. Your computer will be restored to the previous state and click on finish. Follow on screen instruction to complete the restoration process.